In today's video, I am going to show you how to deposit money in your Bybit account directly from your bank account. So click on your Bybit app. I will be depositing money in my Bybit account. So what I usually use is an app known as Duffel. This is the app. This is it. You just simply click on it. If you want to find it, is there on Google Play Store. You register with them is fast. Then I am going to enter my login details. Just log into it. So when you have logged into it, we want to buy USDT using this app directly using my own local currency, and then we will now send it the USDT to our Bybit account. So come to the menu aspect, click on the menu. So I am going to click on buy/sell crypto. Then select which of the types of crypto tokens that you want to buy using your local currency. So I am going to click here, and you have other options available. You can buy Bitcoin directly using your local currency, and then you will transfer the Bitcoin to whether it's your own wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, or to an exchange, or you can buy Ethereum using your local currency, or you can buy USDT using your local currency. Okay, so I want to buy USDT using my local currency. It is a stable coin, so I prefer that one. Okay, so click on USDT. Now, how much of your local currency do you have? So depending on your country, mine, I'm from Nigeria, so I am entering this amount. So 15,000. I will be having $10 deposited into my account. So click on buy USDT. It will bring you here for you to confirm. So click pay the amount. So there is pay 15,000 naira. So give you a bank account that is within your country. You make payment into it, and within 30 seconds that money is deposited into your account here. So I am going to copy this bank account number, and I will use my own local bank to transfer into this account, and it will be deposited directly as USDT in this Duffel account. So I will go to my bank account now. So log into your bank account and add the amount that you want. You can specify the remark as deposit. Click confirm, then continue. So it has been paid, and you can see as it's being paid now, within 1 second money has been added into my Duffel account from the alert or notifications you just saw just now. So now I am going back to the Duffel account. Click and log into it. So I will tell them I have made the payment. Just to close this page, click go to home, and you can see the money in my Duffel account. Now it is directly converted for you here as a balance to see how much it is in your local currency. But that doesn't mean it's not USDT already. It is already USDT. When you come over to the menu, click on it. Under tokens, check the tokens, click. You see is the 10.3 US dollars that we bought, and it's in USDT. Now that we have bought USDT, we want to send that USDT now to Bybit. So I am going to click on send crypto, because USDT is a crypto coin. And the wallet address, I am going to select the one that will use wallet address, because for you to receive any deposit from Bybit, you need wallet address. So I am clicking the aspect of wallet address. Click on it. So you are going to select the cryptocurrency that you want to send to Bybit. Is USDT. This is what we have, and that's what is having money in it. So I will click. You select the network that you want to use to send the money to Bybit. So I love Binance Smart Chain, but you can also select. They have Polygon, Solana, and Ton. So whichever one that you want to select, but I will go with Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so this is the part where you are going to impute the Bybit wallet address here so that the money will be sent to Bybit. So now I am going to Bybit to retrieve that wallet address to paste it here. So let us go to Bybit. Click on your Bybit. In your Bybit here, click on deposit at the home page. Select the coin you want to deposit. I have it here, USDT, under my search history because I've been using them, but I will still show you for the purpose of this video. In the search bar, type USDT and you see it, it will come out. Click on it. Now it is going to tell you which of the networks do you want to send money to. So is this BEP20 because BSC BEP20 is Binance Smart Chain Network. Okay, so it's BEP20 I am going to use. So click BEP20. They are just showing you this to ensure that you have read this thing correctly. Always ensure that you are selecting the networks correctly. Don't select Binance Smart Chain here and go and select Polygon on Duffel app. It will be lost. The money will be lost and you can't retrieve it again. Okay, so the network should be the same. If you are using ERC20, use ERC20 here. If you are selecting Ton network on Duffel, select Ton network here. If you are selecting Binance Smart Chain, select Binance Smart Chain here. So you click to confirm that you have understood what they are telling you. So I am going to click copy here to copy this lengthy address, the wallet address, and take it over to Duffel. So I will impute the address here, paste it. Then you can now include the amount you want to send to Bybit. Just click this all to include all your USDT balance. That is it. You can write description. You say deposit from Duffel. Then click next. Then click send. So you will use your PIN. It was given to you when you were creating your Duffel account. You are going to authorize the payment with it and then we proceed. So transaction is processing. The time is 1:59 here. Let's see how long it will take to reflect on Bybit. So money has been withdrawn. They have sent me an email telling me that withdrawal is successful. Just after 1 minute, I got a confirmation from Bybit that my deposit is successful. So I will go to the Bybit app to confirm that. Click on the Bybit app and log into it. And we can now see that there is a deposit of 10.3 US dollars in our Bybit account. You can see how easy it is. Aside explaining for you using this video, you can do the whole of this in less than 2 minutes. You have deposited money in your Bybit app directly from your bank account. Now, if you have any question regarding how to deposit money into your Bybit account directly from your bank account, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.